place value.
The place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it occupies. Let us represent the number 568 using the place value table. In 568, the 5 from the left represents 5 into 100 is equal to 500. 6 represents 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 8 represents 8 into 1 is equal to 8. So the place value of 5 is 500. The place value of 6 is 60. And the place value of 8 is 8. Let us see another example. In 986, the 9 from the left represents 9 into 100 is equal to 900. 8 represents 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 6 represents 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So the place value of 9 is 900. And the place value of 8 is 80. And the place value of 6 is 6. Numbers on Abacus. We can also show numbers and the place on the Abacus. Let us take a 3-digit number 241. To show this number on an abacus, we need to mention the number of beads on the spikes representing hundreds, tens and ones. Place 2 beads on the 100 spike. Place 4 beads on the 10 spike. Place 1 bead on the ones spike. In 241, the place value of 2 is 2 into 100 is equal to 200. The place value of 4 is 4 into 10 is equal to 40. And the place value of 1 is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now tell the place value of 9 in 398. Yes, the place value of 9 is 9 into 10 is equal to 90. What is the place value of 0 in 208? Yes, the place value of 0 is 0.
Let us recall. The place value of a digit depends upon the place in which it stands. The place value of 0 in any number is always 0. The place value of 7 in 475 is 70. The place value of 2 in 243 is 200. The place value of 1 in 451 is 1.